It's 7 a.m. and you're probably wondering why I have so much energy. Come inside and I'll show you how. All right, today we're talking about energy. One of my favorite things to do to increase my energy is intermittent fasting. Now, if you're a woman, intermittent fasting can kind of be a moving target because of your hormones. I would say 12 hours away from eating. 16 for men is good. I've been doing this for years, dramatically changed my life. I do it 3 days a week. I don't do it every day. That's number one. Number two is your breathing. Energy and breathing is one of the most fundamentally important things we can do. Breath work in the morning is one of my favorite things to do. I wake up, I roll out of bed, I get grateful. Gratitude has been shown to increase energy as well. But that breathing from the diaphragm. I'm breathing in, I'm breathing out. So one of my favorite breath work things to do in the morning is just a quick you get your energy flowing. It puts you in this state of, whoa, this is natural energy that I'm getting, prana, life force, chi, whatever you want to call it, and I'm bringing it out of the atmosphere into my internal atmosphere. Super, super important is breath work. I get messages all the time, you guys. People feeling burnt out, people feeling like they don't have the energy that they once had. When you feed your body, it's important that you're feeding the bacteria in your body. So choosing micronutrient dense foods, tons of leafy greens. Most people eat about 10 to 12 different types of veggies in a week. Now they've done longevity research and it has been shown that if you're rotating about 30 veggies in a month, 30 different types, 30 different colors, eating the colors of the rainbow, your energy is gonna be a lot higher. Another supplement or superfood that's great for energy, I take this Balanced B complex every day. It's just one pill. B5 is really important for energy, but this also has the B12. A lot of vegans and vegetarians aren't getting. So one of these. And another one of my favorite things for energy is just cordyceps. We use a clinical dose of cordyceps in red juice, but you can get cordyceps on Amazon too. I think 30, 40 bucks. They've done research on cordyceps. In fact, in the Olympics, the Chinese women were winning gold medals left and right. And they actually got tested for steroids because they were winning all the gold medals in the Olympics. And what they actually found was cordyceps that they were taking to improve stamina, strength in these different events. So here's a couple of elixirs / drinks / superfood cocktails that I like to make up that help me with my energy. Number one, y'all are drinking way too much coffee. If you're trying to come off the caffeine habit, which actually stimulates your adrenals, and your adrenals create cortisol. Cortisol gives you that feedback loop of your stress, those stress hormones. So if we're trying to look for something different, if we want something that gives us all natural Mother Nature's energy, I just got this on Amazon. I'm not paid by these guys, but this is awesome. And it tastes like coffee. It's a little bit more bitter than coffee. You can have this, giving you that subconscious habit benefit of drinking that in the morning. Fulfilling that habit loop is going to help you wean off the coffee as well. And it's not going to have your adrenals crash later on. It actually has tons of antioxidants. Now, next up, it's important to stay mineralized. And we talk about mineralized a lot. There's trace minerals, there's magnesium, there's all types of minerals that we can get from really good salt. Guys, real salt actually has been shown to help cleanse bromide from the thyroid. A lot of people have thyroid issues. So taking a good salt in the morning, you should notice an impact in your energy. Try it out. Obviously, I'm not a doctor, but I recommend doing it for sure. I usually mix about a half a teaspoon in some mineral water or normal water in the morning with ACV, lemon. So if you're from Michigan or someplace that you don't really have a lot of fresh lemons in the winter, you can buy this organic juice already squeezed, but I just prefer limes or lemons that are natural like this as well. So I'm gonna make this cocktail for you real quick. We just pour it in, you can hear it. Lots of lime juice. Oh my God, I think I cut myself.
You just get lime in it too?
Yeah. We got the lime, we got the salt, we got a little ACV. If you want to pump things up even more, I like vitamin C for energy, personally. Vitamin C from real oranges. Pour it in like this. We got our cocktail. Oh my God. You can just tell that's going to work in your body right away.
Yeah.
Dude.
That was awesome.
Try that.
I like that.
It's like
Straight to the brain.
Yeah, it's like a kombucha.
It is. That's what it is.
It's
Yeah.
kombucha. You just made a kombucha.
Yeah, we made a kombucha. Okay, so now that the kitchen looks like a war zone, we've completely trashed it. We showed you some energy tips today. Thank you for watching this. I'm really working on being transparent with you guys. Really looking at the comments. I look at all your guys' comments and what you need, what you're looking for to radically impact your life. I care about you. And I know maybe that sounds crazy because you're looking at me through a computer screen or a smartphone, but I've been where you've been. I've literally lost 40 pounds in the beginning of my transformation 8.5 years ago, and it was a struggle. The old Drew wanted so bad to hold on to the comfort food and my days in Michigan and drinking on the weekends and sabotaging my life at the time. I didn't really have a lot of passion. I didn't have a lot of energy. I didn't have a purpose that I could wake up springboarding out of bed to every single morning. And as soon as I discovered my purpose and my ability to give back to people like you in different parts of the world, it lit me up inside. I became a research freak. I read a book a day almost. I was just voraciously reading, trying to understand everything about health so that I could help as many people as possible. You know, what do you need? What are you looking for? Is it more mindset, more health stuff? What bodily issues are you up against? So leave a comment below. Let me know where you're from and what you need help with. I'm Drew Canoli. As always, remember, we're in this together.
Once again.